In front of me is ULEFONE Note 18 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app. Then select Allow in all available pop-ups and click on this gear at the top right corner to adjust all of those options however you wish to. Now to start recording, use red button at the bottom left corner and hit Allow one last time. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same left button. To end it and save it though, click on the right one. Then name your recording however you want to and hit save. Now to find all of your recordings, click on this icon at the bottom right corner when recorder is off. To play one, click on it. And to manage it, hold it and tap on those options at the top right corner. You can select those three dots and, for example, hit rename. You can of course also click on bin icon and get rid of it by hitting OK in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!